Doing a paint job at home? Or painting something special? Or doing something creative? What do you do with a brush or roller when you're done? Handle paint waste in an environmentally responsible manner and do not rinse the brush or roller under the tap. What should you do instead? If you haven't finished painting, wrap the brush or roller airtight in a plastic bag or foil. The brush or roller will then remain usable for a few more days. If you want to keep the brush or roller for the next paint job, you can clean them in a bucket with warm water. Make sure you first remove as much paint as possible from the brush or roller. Let this soak for a few hours and then take the clean brush or roller out of the bucket. You can store the bucket closed for the next time. Or let the water evaporate. Or take the closed bucket to your local waste centre. If you do not intend to use the brush or roller again, make sure the paint has completely dried out before you dispose of them. Do not dispose of paint residues down the drain.